does this look like now a case is being made out against this brute, or, well, it's anyone's guess?
Well, I think first point is that the Delhi police is absolutely in the right direction. See, Rahul, the most important thing is you work with what you have. In many cases in crime situations, the corpus delicti was not there. The weapon of offense has not been there. But the cases have been solved and the cases have been put in court very successfully. In this particular case, the sequence, there is overwhelming circumstantial evidence. There is a clear mens rea, the intent, which can be proved by so many things that I'll just come to. And the third, I agree with Dr. Ranganathan when he's talking about the clinching DNA evidence, which takes time, because when you look at these bones, it takes a while to have the quantification. The DNA sampling is in 4 stages, so it takes a while. There have been traces of blood which have been found from the table in the flat. And also, there are other, you see, our forensic experts have come of age. No matter how much a criminal hides and tries to wipe out all the evidence, there is evidence there in the crevices, in the walls, in the carpets, in the car dicky, in so many other places. Therefore, it will take a while, but the DNA evidence will be clinching. Now, some of the evidence which has been coming recently is also of great importance, like, for example, last scene, coming as a couple, the 2 mobiles showing the locations repeatedly at particular places. So there are, bits of evidence everywhere. It's a question of marshalling them. One point which I want to say, which was referred to both Tehseen and I in the debate yesterday. And I'm very happy, Rahul, you talked about these so-called guys who are coming today as friends to take TV bites. They are constitutionally, they were obliged to report the cigarette butt cases or these cases of violence, if any, even the NGO groups should have got the information, they would have raised a hue and cry, and at least the crime could have been prevented. So I fully blame our society. I blame all these friends. And one thing more which is very surprising is that even, one of my Twitter followers told me that when a cabbage is burning in a kitchen, it floats out of the air and gets into the other houses. But in this case, the stench of the human body kept in the house, repeated going outs, the dogs not barking, the neighbors not noticing, is also something which really needs to be looked into. Now, these are things, the sequence of events, the way the Delhi police is going about it, I think is the right approach.
Okay.